Hey guys, so welcome to this exciting project, and think you have already seen, let's say, what we say when we are talking about copy and track files. Okay, so I think I'll show you the overview of the whole project we are about to create. Then we start with, let's say, creating it component by component. Okay, so we can start with, let's say, the homepage. So this is actually the homepage. So this is what you see when you actually open the software. Now we can have a title here, copy and track app. Then we can have, let's say, a menu button up there. Then we can also have, let's say, some hyperlinks here. So you click it to, let's say, go to a link. So tutorials and docs there. Then we can have the title of the app. Then let's say the main functions or the main functionality of the software. Okay, so as you can see, this is actually the homepage. So we have to start with creating the homepage first, then we look at how we can, let's say, extend it to the next functionalities. So without wasting my time, I'll try and look at, let's say, the transfer and track files. Okay, so this is it now. This is actually constant, so we don't need to change things up there. So what we'll be changing will be the content. So we can look at how it works. So I can go to, maybe I have a file here. I can open it. Then I have a destination. Okay, so I'll put it at music, select folder. Now I can click on copy here to actually copy the file. So copy. So you can see total files 1 on 1, total size 3.9, 3.9. Then you can have percentages being here 100. Now you can track the files being copied. So I can click on track. So you can see there's the file I tracked. Okay, so it's really simple project now. That's what we are going to create. So this is actually the overview of what we are going to create. Now the copy folders is also more like the same, so I won't waste my time on it. So this is actually the overview of the project. So in the next video we start with creating the homepage. Okay,